welcome back to another episode of Initial Speed. Today, I think we add to the stable. So, can you guess what kind of vehicle we'll be looking at today? Write in the comments below what you think I'll be looking at, and yeah, we'll see who's right. All right, so this all started by my insurance not wanting to cover the Audi because it's 20 years old.
What?
I guess their point of view is, you know, it's 20 years old. Oh look, an Audi e-tron. I don't know how I feel about it. SS Quattro? I don't know how I feel about it. It's, looks like an Audi, but at the same time doesn't. Anyhow, so I guess the insurance's view is, you know, driving it every day, chances are that, you know, an accident or damage could happen to the car, and I guess, you know, they don't want to, I don't know, whatever. Anyhow, I'm going to take a look at this newer vehicle.
Yeah!
And we'll see what kind of mess we can get into.
Okay!
All right, come along for the ride, literally. There's the Audi e-tron. So, out of curiosity, what do you guys think of this Jag SUV? All right, so we did the deed. I bought the car, put down payment on it because it's on the other side of the city from me, and that means I need a second person to drive. So, put down some money, and tomorrow I'll e-transfer the rest. Come down, pick up the car, and drive it back. Oh yeah, gotta call the insurance. Make sure that, you know, if anything happens, at least there's insurance on it. I will keep you in suspense and show you the car when it's picked up. Back home. That's an odd color. Seems like everywhere I go today is traffic.
One eternity later.
Alright, so I came back and picked up the vehicle. You guys can't see it very well, so I guess you're just gonna have to wait to get a good view. So so I guess we continue to leave you in suspense. Alright, hang on guys. I think she needs some gas and I need to go to the bathroom. And so, there it is. That's what I got. Can't see it, so I guess we'll wait for the morning and go through this thing, find out how it works, because you can't see a thing. Alright, so without further ado, this is what we got. Welcome to the family. So a 2012 2.5, so yes, 5-cylinder VW Jetta, or VW engine, I guess I should say. So it's, of course, not perfect. It's got a few battle wounds, like, I don't know if you'll be able to see, but shopping cart hit this, so it's a little wavy, and the bumper isn't sitting properly. So I think my old man said he can come over and teach me how to bang out a panel properly, so that is something to be dealt with, as well as something fell and hit the hood and the fender. Now I'm pretty sure I can find those on a used vehicle. The question is, how much do they want for them? I'm thinking maybe tints, change out the radio because it's a basic radio, summer rims, summer wheels, and lower it. I don't anticipate doing anything more to it. You guys tell me what you think, what we should do to this, and if you are excited for this new ride, or if you'd prefer that I get something else on this vehicle. New starter, new alternator, shocks in the front are done, brakes all the way around are done. I don't remember, but there are a few things. So, do you like, not like? Tell me, what should we do to this thing? And should I have gone with a Japanese vehicle, or stay with the German and let Omar, the other gentleman, take care of the Japanese stuff? Something to think about. Now she can sit back and I can take my time and do the final things that I need to do to her, like rip that engine out and squeeze a little bit more power out of it, get her painted, and some other little fun things. Anyhow, another sedan, as I said, 2012, 2.5 liter, 5-cylinder VW Jetta.